Hello everyone, welcome back to another special video where today we have with us the white gorgeous looking Ferrari California T. A very big thanks to CL5 Motors here in Hyderabad. They have one of the best exotic cars and the supercars. So they have kindly allowed me to come and check their collection here. So the model you're looking at is the Ferrari California T, which produces around 533 horsepower and a 750 newton meters of torque and can go 0 to 100 in less than 4 seconds and has a good top speed of about 300 kilometers per hour. So these are the LED projector lamp and these are the daytime running lights, the front parking sensor. You have see they are placed all over the front. The gorgeous prancing cars of the Ferrari. These are some of the air intakes to cool the engine. This is the front mounted supercar. Unlike the other Lamborghini which are the rear engine car. So you have even the outlets. The car air enters from here and you can just have out from there. These are the 20 inches 245 section diamond cut machine alloy wheels in dual tone with amazingly red Corsa red brake calipers. These are ceramic disc brakes. And the side again, there are lot of vents in this car. काफी बड़ा Ferrari का logo है. This is the small little turn indicator. The ORVM, which does not come with turn indicators as it has been placed there. So this is the open top. You can see the top is currently being open. It's just open. I'll be showing you even with the top closed. At the back you have the 285 R20 alloy wheels. 20 inches के alloy है. इनका section 285 है. Again with the ceramic disc brake. Again the Corsa red brake calipers there. Again there is this air outlet. The air can enter through here and just leave from there to provide a good aerodynamics. A very long reflector. And coming at the back you have the number plate placing right in the center, and then this beautiful silver Ferrari prancing horse sits and dominates all of the back. Ferrari की badging यूनिक स्टाइलिंग में है. और ये है LED tail lamps and these are the exhaust system. Quad exhaust मिलते हैं, 2 इधर and 2 on that side. Again with the rear parking sensors, the air outlet. So this is a completely flat back. जब open होता है तो this whole part, you can see the borderline, it just opens up and then the roof comes out from this part and it just stuck correctly here. So this is the red interior, totally lapped in leather. Dual stitching, white stitching मिलती है, Ferrari का logo. And these are the back seats. They are very tight. You get the ISOFIX child mount seats. Only children can sit here, not even a teenager, because they are absolutely small. You can see there's a very minimal space around there. The air outtake, the alloy wheels. So ये था एक complete exterior walk around of the car. So now let's get into the interior and let's explore all the features what are available in this. Now let's see how the roof opens up, because this is the California T, so obviously the roof can go down. One of the best looking Ferraris. The action is just amazing. This comes on the top and this directly settles in the back and this closes down and the window automatically rolls up. So this was the opening rooftop action of the Ferrari California T. So this is the key to the Ferrari California T. You have 3 buttons, lock, unlock, and this is for the trunk, which is at the back, definitely a very small trunk, which I see the key. Now let's jump in. The door handle is unlike any other car, just you need to pull that. So the door opens pretty wide. You have a good space to get in and get out of the car. Now let's jump straight in and check out all the features. So getting in here, it's pretty easy and pretty comfortable once you are inside. So you can observe all of the leather, a very premium finish. बहुत अच्छा steering wheel है. You have the famous Ferrari modes, the comfort, the sport and the traction control one. And turn, as you know, Ferrari gets the turn indicators on the steering wheel. Rather you have anything there, you don't have anything there. Again, this side one, Ferrari logo. The headlight controls, the engine start stop button, and this is like a carbon fiber steering wheel. It comes with a heated function, and this is for the, you can control the lights, and this is for the instrument cluster. Actually, the small one here, you get the 5-inch one. This is the tachometer, and this is the speedometer. You get the 340 with the speed limit here. Door की बात करते हैं तो door is completely lapped in leather. You have some buttons. This is a fuel lid button, and to control the electrically adjustable ORVMs. This is also a latch to open the door. Very interesting latch. Just you need to pull this up and the door opens. Now coming onto the main dashboard, you have this beautifully 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system which gets a lot of controls. There are 2 knobs here, and down you have the climatic control. And the very interesting feature is this launch control. You need to press this launch control and your car is ready for the full action. Yeah, has a light ka button. That's a for fuel lid. This here you get many controls. This is the dual zone. You can set 2 temperatures, 16, 20, 22. There are markings for the driver's side and the co-driver. I'll just try to start the car. So now you'll see amazing display of lights. When I just turn on the ignition, you have to manually turn it on. You can see the lights coming in, and all of the required information on that small 5-inch. This totally lights up. There are all certain kind of indications that you would expect from a sports car. Then these are the ACU vents, and this is the real pressure bar. And the dashboard is quite finished in a lot of leather. This is the pore leather you get in. The overall, the fit and finish is absolutely good. This is the infotainment system. Let's try, can we turn it on? It's not getting on due to some reasons. And this is the control to open the top of your car, which just comes from the back. And these are some controls over here to lock and unlock. The light controls for passenger, driver, and the central one. These are the parking sensors off. You get 4 airbags in this car, and all of the safety features including ABS, airbag, brake assist, electronic brake distribution, and ESP. You have many modes in the ESP to customize in the way you want, and the car should, how the car should handle according to you. तो इधर भी काफ़ी अच्छी फिनिश है, लेदर है. You get amazing sound system. These are the back seats. I'll just show you the little space available there. This is the center armrest, and some storage sort of thing, and steering wheel. So I get overall these are the very small sun visors which do not come, of course, with the light, and a mirror, of course, for the weight saving purposes. This is the A bar, the AC vents of the year. They have quite a lot of attention detail. They have the Ferrari logo on it, so you can just adjust it, and you can manually adjust them as well. And these are the controls for the power window up and down, and you even get the seat belts, but they are in grey color to give it a contrast look. So this was all about the interior of the Ferrari California T. Now I'll be showing you how it looks when the rooftop is closed. Just have a look when the headlights are turned on. Amazing and amazing, brilliant start again. So let's see how the roof actually comes up. It's a quite lot fascinating mechanism to have to look at. The windows roll down, and then this mechanism just starts up. This is the hard top roof, unlike the soft top. Now this glass just sits over here, and the car is completely closed now, which just look amazing in this beautiful Arctic white color. This is for sale here in CL5 Automotives. You can definitely contact. They have the website name CL5 Automotives. Beautiful tail lights, and again the beautiful exhaust system with a loud gurgles. You get a beautiful LED on the number plate. LED lamps. So I'll be showing you one of the interesting feature. When you open the door, actually the window rolls down a bit. We'll just check out. You can see when I'll open the door, you can see the window has just rolled down. Again, see, this is the window. Again it goes up, and when I'll pull the door latch, the window will come down. See, you can see that. Again, I'm closing the door, it just rolls up. So this was one of the interesting feature of the Ferrari. So this was my complete review for the Ferrari California T. Please let me know down below in the comment section what you feel about the Ferrari California T. And do not forget to like, subscribe and share. Do follow CL5 Automotives on Instagram. They have an Instagram page. Thank you, and let's meet in another video with very exclusive car once again. Thank you.